So we got the machine row, another great opportunity to crush the back. And use the chest support to really push our sternum into so that we can spread around it and pinch our shoulder blades together, getting all of our upper back. If you feel like you're touching the ends too soon, that means you can extend the chest support so you can get more range out of your back. You can wrap around it and stretch your back muscles out. The key thing is, thinking of pinching at the back, because that's what's going to contract all of this here. And then seat height is simply like you want your forearms to be in line with the force that you're pulling. So you can see that when Joel pulls back, he's forwards and backwards.